Hello and welcome. Today's presentation is brought to you by Science Visualized. The title of our presentation today is on the reactions of alkenes with bromine. So if you look at this structure here, you'll see that there is a double bond between carbon number 3 and carbon number 4, and therefore that compound there is an alkene. And then that's reacting with Br2, and that's bromine. Basically, bromine or Br2 reacts with alkene in such a way that you end up adding Br and Br across the double bond, but that addition is done in an anti-fashion. So we say anti-addition. That means one Br adds from the top, the other one adds from the back, and therefore it results in what we call trans product. So I'll go ahead and copy this reactant because we want to carry all the carbons to the product. And now we have two possible products, and then because we are adding Br and Br across the double bond, we are going to lose the double bond. So I'll go ahead and erase the double bond between carbon number 3 and carbon number 4 on both of those products. And then we just proceed and add Br and Br across the double bond. So if Br on carbon number 3 adds from the back, so you get the Br going in, then the Br on carbon number 4 will add from the top, and therefore it will be coming out, and that gives you a trans product. Or the other option will be the Br on carbon number 3 adds from the top, while the Br on carbon number 4 adds from the back, and that will also give you a trans product. So those two will be the major products of that reaction. This reaction goes through a bromonium ion. So let me go ahead here and show the mechanism. So we're adding the double bond to Br2, which is Br-Br, and then the double bond through either carbon number 3 or carbon number 4 will end up attacking the bromine, and then the lone pair of electrons on bromine, remember there are 6 lone pair of electrons, so there are 3 electron pairs. One of those pairs will come back and attack the other carbon, while at the same time you get a Br minus breaking off. And now that will give you this intermediate, where now a Br has added across carbon number 3 and carbon number 4, and because it's adding from one side, we can say that it added from the top, so the Br will be coming out, and therefore you use that wedge bond. And because you use the lone pair of bromine to form a bond, therefore you're going to have a formal positive charge on that Br. At the same time, you still have the other Br minus hanging around, the one that broke off, and that now is going to attack and open the Br plus from the back. So you open up the bromonium ion intermediate, and now you get a Br on carbon number 4, and the other Br adds from the back, and you end up with that as a product. And that's similar to what we have here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please support the channel by subscribing, and stay tuned for the other reactions that we'll be looking at. Like the next reaction will be Br2 with water, and then we're going to look at Br2 with alcohol. In this case, we're going to use methanol. Then we're also going to look at NBS, N-bromosuccinamide. And lastly, alkene reaction with NBS and water. Thank you very much.